How's it going, friends? Welcome back to IQ Splash. Today's challenge is who is most likely to mom versus dad edition. Get ready for 25 fun and crazy questions, but you only have 10 seconds to choose your answer each time. So think fast and let's see which parents gets picked most often. Don't forget to drop your answer in the comments if you want a shout out in the next video. And hit that subscribe button. All right, are you ready? First round, who's more likely to eat this cake, your mom or your dad? Who is most likely to lend you money? Who is most likely to eat up all of your snacks without asking? Dad or mom? Who would actually sing along with him? Comment your choice in the comment section. Come on, choose quick. Mom or dad? Who do you think will win this game? Mom or dad? Hit subscribe if you picked mom and comment daddy if you pick your dad. Who is most likely to wake up earlier? Who would be brave enough to try this? Who is most likely to buy you fast food? Who is most likely to do chores? Who would like to do this in public? Mom or dad? Quick, who gets your vote? Connect every matching plant without crossing any bombs? Here we go. The correct answer is here. Who keeps on losing their phone? Mom or dad? Who is most likely to order extra fries? Got a secret to tell? Who can actually keep it? Be honest, who is most likely to win this game?
Who
usually cooks dinner in your house, mom or dad? Share your pick in the comments down below. So, who's it gonna be? Who could watch TV all day without getting bored? Who is most likely to fall asleep on the couch? Who would like to steal a bite from your plate? Who tells the same story every single time? Who is most likely to laugh the loudest? Some homework help needed. Who are you calling first?